Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by enabling camera and granting permissions. Do that now so the feature runs smoothly. Once done, search the product name in the Google app or Chrome and look for the AR or try it on card. You should see a clear camera overlay and product preview. Tap it to load the model. Make sure your lighting is even and remove clutter so the virtual item aligns accurately. This immediate setup avoids restarts and speeds the experience. You'll now align the virtual item to your body or face using the on-screen guides. Move slowly toward or away until it snaps into place. Once aligned, make sure to try available color and size options so you can compare looks. If the tool offers a pin or lock function, enable it to keep the item anchored while you turn your head or step back. These steps improve realism and help you evaluate fit, scale, and style in context. You'll finish by capturing images or a short video using the capture control, then compare saved looks to decide. Once done, clear any overlays and close the session to free camera resources. If the model drifts or misaligns, first toggle camera permission and relaunch Try It On. Recalibrating with a flat surface and consistent lighting usually fixes tracking. If problems persist, restart the app and retry. That often clears temporary sensor errors and restores accurate placement.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.